There's a question most people avoid, not because it's complicated, but because the answer is uncomfortable. Why do some people, starting from nothing, build wealth, while others work hard for years and still struggle financially? It's not luck. It's not talent, and it's not where you were born. It comes down to a set of patterns. Patterns that either build wealth or quietly destroy it. In this video, we're going to break down the real reasons you're still struggling financially, and more importantly, how to fix it, starting today. Most people believe one thing: if I work hard enough, I'll eventually succeed. But here's the truth: hard work alone does not create wealth. If it did, the hardest working people in the world would all be rich. Instead, what actually matters is how you work, what you work on, and how you manage what you earn. Without strategy, effort becomes a cycle. You work, you earn, you spend, and then you start again. Breaking this cycle is the first step. Every person has what's called a financial identity. It's the internal belief about money that shapes your decisions. If you believe money is hard to get, wealth is for other people, you'll always struggle. Then your actions will reflect that. You'll avoid risks, miss opportunities, settle for less. Your income can only grow to the level your mindset allows. Let's address a common frustration. Why does money come and then disappear? The answer is simple: lack of financial structure. Without budgeting, saving, investing, money has no direction. And money without direction will always leave. Wealth is not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how well you grow it. Growth requires discomfort, but most people avoid it. They stay in familiar routines, safe decisions, predictable outcomes. The problem? Nothing changes. Opportunities often look like learning a new skill, starting something uncertain, taking calculated risks. If you avoid discomfort, you avoid growth. Wealth is not built in one moment. It's built through small decisions, repeated consistently, saving a small amount, learning daily, improving your skills, managing expenses. Over time, these decisions compound, and what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. At some point, everything changes. Not because of luck, but because of a decision. A decision to think differently, act differently, live differently. This is where most people hesitate. But this is also where transformation begins. Here's the practical part. If you want to change your financial life, start with this. 1. Track your money. Know where every dollar goes. 2. Cut unnecessary spending. Not everything you want is necessary. 3. Learn a high-income skill. Your income grows with your value. 4. Start saving, even small amounts. Consistency matters more than size. 5. Invest in your growth. Skills, knowledge, mindset. Do this consistently, and your life will change. The truth is, most people already know what to do. They just don't do it consistently. But you're different. Because now, you're aware. And awareness is where change begins. If this video gave you clarity, don't just watch it. Apply it. Because your financial future depends on what you do next.